Here's my example of fine motor skills. Again, my daughter Mackenzie, 6 years old. She's going to be cutting along these lines with the scissors. Mackenzie, they're upside down. The scissors are upside down. No, the scissors.
Sending it to.
When you finish doing that one, sweetie, just pop it down and you can show me. Just pop it down on the table and we'll see how she's... Pop it down on the table. That's alright, you can do those ones in a second. See how she's followed the lines, cut along the lines, whether it's a straight line, squiggy line, or a shape.